Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SoFi Invest account, secure method step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the SoFi homepage. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Input your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is correct and meets security standards. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process for added security. Check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the login page. Click Verify to proceed. Once verified, you will be logged into your SoFi Invest account. Review your account dashboard for an overview of your investments and account details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.